Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, قل هل أنبئكم بشر من ذلك مثوبة عند الله من لعنه الله وغضب عليه وجعل منهم القردة والخنازير وعبد الطاغوت أولئك شر مكانا وأضل عن سواء السبيل. Translation: Say, should I tell you who will receive the worst punishment from Allah? Worst are those whom Allah has cursed and on whom His wrath has fallen and turned some to apes and swine, and those who worship shaitan or taghut. Such are in worse place and straight far away from the right way. In the previous ayah, it was mentioned that the people of the book ridicule and blame Muslims, but for no good reason. The only reason is that the Muslims believe in Allah and what is revealed upon them and what is revealed before them. They believe on all the books and all the prophets. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that, O people of the book, you are angry at Muslims because they are believing in the books of Allah and the messengers of Allah, but this is no reason to get angry or no reason to ridicule Muslims. You are doing this just because of yourself away from the straight path and away from the Tawheed, which is the belief in oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you ponder, you will find that the path you have chosen is a very wrong path. And if you see the history, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has cursed those people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taken those people away from His mercy. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wrath was falling on those people and made them monkeys and pigs. And these peoples worshipped the shaitan, and their way is much worse than the way or path of Muslims. The path of Muslims is the path of Tawheed, the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, believing in all the messenger and all the books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala without picking and choosing some and dropping some. Those people who left the path of Allah were made pigs and monkeys, and the people of the book know about these people. And the people of book know that their forefathers got straight from the straight path. They left the straight path and they made sins, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala punished them very severely in this world and will punish them in the hereafter as well. In the history of the people of the books, they worshipped the calf and they made Jesus alayhi salam the son of God, and they left the commandments of Allah regarding the Saturday. And those people who left the commandments of Allah for Saturday and tried to trick Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by doing their fishing on the day of Saturday in a way which was wrong, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala punished them and they were made monkeys. And some of the scholars wrote that among those people who did not follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala about the worship of the day of Saturday and doing fishing on Saturday indirectly, which has been explained in the Surah Al-Baqarah, the people were made pigs who were older, and those people who were younger among those were made monkeys. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and give us the vision so that we can see the truth. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.